Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can unsubscribe from people who are not subscribed to you on Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and let's get you and me started. So how do you even check out people who are not subscribed to you and unsubscribe from them? To do that, first let's open up the Instagram app. Next, click on your profile picture at the bottom to go to your profile. Next, click on the people you are subscribed to. And let's say if you want to know if a person is subscribed to you or not. Then you have to click on the three dots next to the person where it says following. Click on the three dots. And then click here. And this way you will see if the person is subscribed to you. As you can see, in my case, the person is subscribed to me, and I'm subscribed to that person. And you can also see the year and the date, so to speak, when you subscribed to each other. If, let's say you look at this information and you see that you are subscribed to a person and he is not subscribed to you, then it's very easy to unsubscribe from the person right here. And as you can see, now I am not subscribed to a person who is not subscribed to me as well. Friends, this is the very simple way you can unsubscribe to people who are not subscribed to you on the Instagram app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.